How do they produce from a bee to this? How does that happen?
So your bees fly around and they gather pollen and they gather nectar. And that nectar and pollen is brought back to the hive and they spread it around. Sometimes they feed it to their young and then they store it for themselves, right? Now, what they will do is they will eat some pollen and nectar and it goes into a honey stomach. So honeybees have two stomachs. Right. A bit like some people have a dessert stomach, you know? Right? So the honey goes into the dessert stomach, mixes with an enzyme and some saliva, and it creates what we know as honey, OK? But it's very runny. So they then eject that, they yak it up, right? It's basically bee vomit, right? Okay. Into one of these cells. It's very runny. Yeah. They fan their wings over the top of it really quickly to evaporate the water content until it gets to the consistency that we know as honey. And then they cover it with wax, which is exactly what we've got here, because honey's hygroscopic, it draws water in. And if it draws water in, then it ferments, and then you end up with mead.